As an international student, if you plan on studying in Germany, the entire process should be like a walk in the park, right? But that's not the case with most international students. As when it comes to using Uni-Assist, it becomes a whole workload for them. And that's why I'm making this video. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you all you need to know about Uni-Assist, what Uni-Assist represents, and the entire process. And I'm going to walk you through the process so you don't have to worry and the entire process can be easy for you. If you're ready, let's delve in.
When you get an admission abroad, the first thing that comes to your mind is accommodation. It can be really stressful moving to a new country, not to talk of securing an accommodation. And that's where Amber comes in. Amber is an online platform that offers student accommodation in different parts of the world. I'm talking about in Germany, in Spain, the Netherlands, United States, New Zealand, Australia, Ireland, and Canada. And in well over 250 cities covering 800 plus universities. And one unique thing about Amber is that all of the accommodation it offers are really close to the universities. And all of this can be done in 3 simple steps. The first step is you discover and finalize, that is you picking the choice of apartment you want. The second step is Amber takes care of the paperwork in terms of rental contracts. And then the last step is apartment is booked, and then you decide when you want to move in. No more dodgy landlords, no more hidden fees, just easy booking and real support from the Amber team. So click the link in the description box to book your new apartment today. And of course, you get exclusive offers when you do that. And yes, it also helps in you supporting the channel. And shout out to Amber for sponsoring this part of today's video. Without further ado, let's get back into the video.
So you might be asking yourself, what is Uni-Assist? Uni-Assist is an organization that processes international students' application for German universities. So instead of you sending your documents to different universities, Uni-Assist does that. So Uni-Assist processes your document. I'm talking about your certificate, your transcript, your proof of English, all of the documents required for you to get admission, either for a bachelor's program or a master's program. And afterwards, they convert your grade to a German grading system. And then the last part is they send your document to the university you're applying to, which uses Uni-Assist. So if your documents are not complete, they don't send it. But if it's complete, then they send it, and before the deadline. One thing you should know that not all German universities uses Uni-Assist. Some universities in Germany offers direct application. So what this means is that you don't go through Uni-Assist, rather you send your application directly to the university you are applying to. So you pay your application fee, if there's any, directly to the university. So here are some few key points before I show you how the landing page of Uni-Assist looks like the entire process, how you can open an account with Uni-Assist and then submit your document and all of those things. So firstly, you apply through their online portal. That is, you open an account, you create your username, you put your email and all of those things. You get a unique ID for your account. And then secondly, you have to pay an application fee. Usually the first university you apply to is 75 euros. And subsequently, if you apply to more than one university, then each of those universities will cost 30 euros. Also, the deadline usually for the winter semester is July 15th. And for the summer semester is January 15th. Note, you need to pay attention to the deadlines, because if you submit your application late, maybe a day or two before the deadline, trust me, Uni-Assist won't be able to process your application and send to the university, because they need time to verify your document or your application before it's sent to the university. Lastly, one thing you should know is that Uni-Assist also rejects your application, incomplete application. So if something is missing, like a document is missing in your application and you don't upload that document before the deadline, Uni-Assist is going to reject the application. They're not even going to send it to the university. Uni-Assist only sends completed application to the university. That is, you must have uploaded all of the required documents. Then Uni-Assist will forward your application to the university. You don't have a complete document uploaded to your portal, that is your own specific portal, UniAssist is not going to forward your application. So now I'm going to be showing you from my laptop what the UniAssist portal looks like. I'll try to create an account if possible, so it's easy for you to navigate through the entire process. If you're ready, let's get to my computer. So for the registration, you need to put in your email address. Sorry, if I'm typing so slow, just bear with me. And then the next thing, you want to repeat the same email address just to confirm the email address. And then the next thing, you have to put in the password, a unique password, and something you can remember, but a strong password. And then you repeat the same password just to confirm that it's right. And then you want to check the box and click register. And then you get an email from Uni-Assist, which you have to click the link to confirm your email address. Afterwards, the next page, you have to put in your your contact address, your educational background, and every other information needed. And then you proceed to the next page. So when you must have created your account, you put your educational history, you put your contact details, your email address, the country where you're living, and all of those things. It takes you to this page. So you have a unique ID here, and here it shows you an overview, application overview. So if you've selected universities or courses, it shows here. And all of the documents you need to upload to Uni-Assist to verify and then send your application to the university have to be uploaded here. So you just, if you have them on your PC, you take them and then put, and please try to name every document you're uploading. Here you find all of the categories of documents you have to upload. So from your CV, your letter of motivation, passport copy, that's the data page of your international passport, your school certificate, language certificate, academic certificate, like a transcript, and everything. So you upload it here. If you have extra documents required by the university, then you also add them to this category and name them. Don't just add it and leave it. You have to name it. And when you're done, you upload the file here. If you are not done, you can always exit this page and it saves what you did, and then you come back. And you can also delete documents you upload. Not like once you upload it, that's fine now. You can always edit, like remove the document you don't want to submit and then replace or just delete it. And when you're sure you're done with everything and you want to send the document, then you upload the file here. And afterwards, when you're done, of course you have to pay for the application fee. You go to the application overview here. I haven't applied to any courses because obviously I'm not applying to any course. But if I was to apply for any course, or in your own case, you see all of it here, and then it will tell you the amount you're supposed to pay. Like I earlier mentioned, that you have to pay 75 euros for the initial university, the first university you're going to be applying to, and then subsequently 30 euros for every other one. So you're going to see it here and you're going to pay. And when you check your mailbox here, every information you have from Uni-Assist will be shown here. I don't have anyone. Again, I'm not applying for any, so I don't expect to see any message here. But for you who's applying for university, you're going to see all of your messages here. If Uni-Assist is done with your application, you're going to see the later here showing your ECTS or your CGP, when it has been changed to German grading system. You're going to see it here. And If you need to change your email or your password, you can also do that here. So that's that about the online portal of Uni-Assist. It's pretty simple. It's easy. It shouldn't be stressful for you to go through. So the application process of Uni-Assist takes 7 steps. So the first step, you need to create an account on Uni-Assist portal, fill in your personal details and educational background, then select universities and programs. Then the fourth step is to upload your scanned document, then pay the application fee. The first is €75, and then subsequently you pay €30 for each university you're applying for through Uni-Assist. And then you send your certified copies by post. Some universities still require you to send the hard copies by post, while others just deal with the digital copy only. So you need to check to see if you're required to send the hard copy by post. And then the last step is for you to wait for confirmation, as Uni-Assist will update you on the message icon I showed in the online portal. So there you have it. It's really easy for you to go through the entire process using Uni-Assist. Like I said in the earlier part of this video, most German universities use Uni-Assist and some don't use Uni-Assist. Rather, they require you to apply directly to the university. And then they have their own application fee. I remember when I had to apply directly, it was €25 for the application. And if you're applying to like 3 different courses in one department, then the €25 covers the entire application. So you want to check to see if your university requires you to use Uni-Assist or apply directly. If you got value from this video, do well to give this video a thumbs up by liking this video. Also, if you have any questions pertaining to Uni-Assist application, leave it in the comment section. I'll be answering to each and every one of them. And also do well to share this video, that way it gets to a wider audience. We are gradually getting to 6K subscribers, all thanks to you. You're making it possible. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel, that way we grow. And if you're here to follow me on Instagram, I really don't know why. Do well to follow me on Instagram at SammySticks. Until the next time, I love you guys. Stay focused, stay motivated. Adios.